Still working? Whoa, she's angry with me for some reason. Are you pissed off? Namaskara YouTube. Wow, that was amazing.
At the dam has the most beautiful view, but it reminds me a lot of Uti. And here we are witnessing one of the most stupidest act I've ever seen. People who have no common sense are wanting to cross this dam without even having any knowledge of how deep it is and without any clothes, and one goes in.
Namaskara YouTube. Oh, that was amazing. What is that? Let me start with an interesting trivia here about India, which is my country. India has around 30 states, 29 to be exact, one in the formation. So, about 30. If it's wrong, please forgive me. The most interesting thing about India is that every state has a different dialect, at least more than one. And officially, India as a country has around 23 recognized official languages. Wow, isn't it awesome? The greetings I told, Namaskara, is a form of greeting that is used in Karnataka and it's called Kannada. Enough with trivia, let's start with today's vlog. And as you all might know or do not know, today is my packing day because we are leaving to Pondicherry tomorrow and we're packing here. My wife is busy planning and all our luggages is a crappy mess here, so somehow we have to manage and pack it because we'll be leaving tomorrow by 4 a.m. which is very early. It's like yesterday to me. I'm trying to work on getting up early and doing exercise, increasing my fitness, but I think it's a distant dream of the future. For now, I don't know, I'm trying hard. You got to get ready. It's getting late and you're still working. Whoa, she's angry with me for some reason. Are you pissed off?
Yeah.
Well, please complete your work. There is a lot of mess to put together. You have to pack the luggage. Yes, now I'm ready with my pack. My t-shirts, my watch, my gears. That little thing, it's a very costly lighter. It's just there for me to carry. I don't actually smoke. And I just have to find the right bag and fit these things in. My wife is not yet ready. My wife is not yet ready and I am very scared to remind her to pack now. So what I'll do is I'll just let her know by telling her the time and telling her when should we get up and get ready.
How do you
That's
think
an
that's a
efficient.
good plan?
Oh my god, she heard. I'll get back to you later. My dorky wife here is still working. It's been 2 hours since I started filming. And you can still see my packed luggage is still there because the bag is not yet decided. And it won't be decided until she tells me what all we are carrying.
And he's gonna.
It won't be decided until she tells me what all to carry. Right now she's scolding me because she has not put on her makeup. But she looks good anyway. I'm gonna go take a cold shower now. I really love taking cold showers when it's hot, and really hot showers. Yeah, warm to hot when it's cold. And this, by the way, I'm vlogging from my shower. She's still getting ready though. Bye. See you in tomorrow's vlog.